This morning, there are concerns right here in Houston over the coronavirus. This is a live look at Rice University. Overnight, the school sent an alert saying a small group of students and employees are under self-quarantine due to possible exposure to the virus. School officials say an employee was possibly exposed while traveling overseas. Now, the country that person traveled to was not on the CDC's restricted travel list, saying this self-quarantine is out of an abundance of caution. The school is working closely with Harris County Public Health. In the meantime, the school is reminding students to wash their hands often with soap and water, avoid sharing dishes, glasses, and utensils, and also asking them to cover their coughs or sneezes with a tissue and then throw it away. And if they are sick, to stay home from class. Probably good advice for all of us. At this time, the school is not planning to suspend campus operations, events, or classes. The school is asking students to contact student health services if they are sick, though.